Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to change language in Monopoly Go.uz step-by-step process. Let's get started. First, open the Monopoly Go app on your smart device and make sure you're signed in to your account. By opening the application on the home screen, in the upper right corner of the screen, click on the three lines. And then on the next page, in the drop-down menu, look for the setting option and click on it. A new page will open where you will scroll down to the language option and click on it. This is where the magic happens. The application will open a list of languages it supports. All you have to do is choose the language you want and confirm by clicking on the change option. And that is that. By following these simple steps, you can change the language in Monopoly Go to suit your preferences. It's a quick and easy process that can make your gaming experience even better. If this guide helped you, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more game tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.